Okay, so pain is a gift, and I keep on saying that. In fact, I have trained so many people and organizations into the fact that every pain they go through is a gift. And I want to show you why with two short examples and illustrations. First of all, do you know that the more painful it is for you to learn a thing, the harder it is for you to forget? Can you see why pain is a gift? Hi there. Once upon a time in my life, I was addicted to football. I was able to break my football addiction. Then I was addicted to carbonated soft drinks. I was able to break that addiction to carbonated soft drinks. Then I was able to start new patterns in my life, consistent patterns like learning voraciously, memorizing. I eventually memorized 10 books of the Bible, over 10 books of the Bible by the grace of God. I am facilitating a training where I want to show you how to break free from negative patterns, limiting habits, overcome limiting beliefs, start new habits, build it, and then build a life that you desire, create a life that you desire, and build good positive patterns. I'm also facilitating a training on how individuals become institutions, where I show you how individuals built institutions and how they were able to use harsh economic climates and recessions to their advantage. It's a training for anybody that wants to excel in any area of your life. Right now, you can see the flyers and the QR code on your screen. I look forward to seeing you there. God bless you. Do have an amazing day, and back to the video. The more painful it is to learn a thing, the harder it is to forget. Can you see that? Secondly, the most painful muscle in your body to exercise is your quadriceps. And guess what? They are the muscles that pump the most blood to your brain. Can you see that pain is a gift? Think about this, and may God give you understanding in Jesus' name. Do have an amazing day. Bye for now.